Good afternoon. Welcome back to ExpatCrib. My name is Ian, and I am with again.
Sarai.
Sarai has this beautiful apartment in Envigado that she's going to show us. This is it 2-bedroom or 1-bedroom?
2-bedroom.
2-bedroom. Okay. So, but check out this view before we go any further.
Yes.
Beautiful view.
Wow, Ian, this view is spectacular. Yes, it makes sense.
Yeah. So, just tell us all about your listing here.
Okay, this apartment has 84 square meters around. It is really good opportunity of the apartment. We are close for 2 cities, Envigado and Medellin. And we have an open concept here. Look at this. This is the kitchen, open space. We have the space for the dishwasher. The laundry area is just right there.
All right. So, a little look back here. This building has just been completed, so again, it comes with this, right?
This is induction. No,
this is gas.
it's gas. Yes, sorry. In the other apartments we have induction.
Yeah.
In this building we have around 2 options of the apartments also. If you want to know more, let us know.
Okay. And then right down here, the Chevy stove.
Yes.
So those come included. You just have to put in the space right here. Your fridge of choice, and then back there your laundry, washer dryer.
Yes. Come on to take a look. The master bedroom is in the under. This master bedroom has beautiful view. Look at this. This view is at the greens, and you could see the sunset perfect from here.
Got the city skyline view here. And I'm gonna be honest with you guys, the prices in this building are not cheap. But there's only how many units left?
We have 4 units here.
4 units left in the building. So obviously they're selling. They are in a high per square meter price, I would say. We're getting to that point in Poblado and Envigado, especially in the new builds where, unfortunately, and to be honest with you, you're getting cool looking places, but they're smaller and the prices are going higher. And that is just a reality. There's no cheap money in this country. Everything is, there are mortgages here for the locals, hypothecas, right?
Yes.
They call them hypothecas, but they're like 13%.
Makes sense.
So a lot of these apartments are being bought with cash, right? Because people and families here tend to save their money. But again, there's no cheap money here like in the United States or Canada. So what I'm telling you here is the truth. Again, super cool apartments, but they're like when I was in Vancouver, moving from the valley into the city to Yaletown, we got less for more money. But the location and the facilities in this building are really good.
Yes, you have all you need for the lifestyle, daily life. You have pool and many things. Let me show you later.
Okay.
Continue with this bedroom. We have the walk-in closet. It's no for one person.
Yeah, these apartments, honestly, I mean, a couple could live here for sure. Minimal lifestyle.
You have many spaces here to save your clothes, the shoes, everything. And we have here the shower. Clean details, clean ambient.
Yeah.
The shower is white.
Great shower built into 30 feet here. Very nice. Okay. And we have your.
And this is the toilet with the sink. Exactly. Yes. Come on to take a look. The other bedroom, it could be one studio or a space to work. Look at this. Let me open this window. Look at this. It could be perfect to enjoy the sunset, planning your new projects.
Sunset's just over that way here. The sunrise is over here for Las Palmas. And it goes over this way.
Exactly.
The sun won't come directly into your apartment, which is nice.
And also while you are working, you have two big mall commercial. We have Viva.
Yeah, Viva's not far from here.
Exactly. We have Mallorca, and close here we have City Plaza.
Yep, City Plaza is the closest, and then Viva's about probably a 10-minute car ride down the hill from here. So yeah, it's a great location for sure.
Exactly. The Rappi is coming here quickly, so if you are working and you need something quick, just call the Rappi. So comfortable. From here we have these closets. Look at this. Perfect space to put clothes.
Let's take one last look at the living room, and can we see the pool real quick? They got a really beautiful pool. That's
Exactly.
probably why the higher prices here. They've got a really nice pool and gym.
Yes, co-working. So if you are thinking to buy one apartment for investment, this apartment is really good opportunity. It has everything to have the tenants really comfortable. For example, if the tenants needs work from the home, you have everything.
Yeah.
Working, gimnasio,
Co-working space.
pool. Yes.
Yeah, with plug-in for your computer. Yeah, it's really nice. So,
And we have jacuzzi for social use.
yeah,
Really perfect.
and a beautiful.
Really good, yes. So come on to take a look. This is the balcony.
And as you can see, the greenery. Oh,
The green.
every apartment here.
Yes, you have the green view.
All right, let's take one last look here. All right, Shaddai, let's go up and take a look at the pool. Oh, this is an amazing place you found. We actually showed some units in this building a little while ago. I like the ones that they were on the bottom floor, the ones we showed last time. This one was, on the 9th floor, really beautiful. So thank you so much for finding this place. Tell us about the upper deck here.
Yes, we have here the pool. This pool have a beautiful, beautiful view. Perfect to take relax. I love this
Let me
view.
pan around here. Come on over here.
Come on.
They've got the day beds here, as you can see. Okay.
Yes, a style like from Mexico.
Yeah, but let's check out this view.
Wow.
You're always finding these amazing places.
Yes. Medellin has a beautiful, beautiful properties.
So this is Envigado.
Yes.
Is over there. Bottle's just beyond the building. Okay. What else is there up here?
Yes, we have the social kitchen back to us. Come on to take a look. And don't forget the jacuzzi. This jacuzzi is for social use. This it has, I think, place for 6 persons.
Yep, that's what it looks like. Okay.
Yes, and look at this. Also a really good view. Can you imagine staying here with your friends, enjoying a little bit that view?
Yeah.
Wow.
Very nice. Very nice.
Really nice. And here in the right we have the social kitchen.
Here's a cool deck. Really nice. So here you're paying for the amenities for sure.
Yes.
Smaller apartments, but nice. But here you're paying definitely for the amenities. Yeah, in here they've got the party room, so it's complete with a kitchen.
Yes, it has kitchen totally done to cook. For example, you could pay for a chef, cook for you and your friends.
Up here.
Exactly.
Okay. Let's take a look at the.
Here we have the co-working, the gimnasio, and the business room. Look at this. Perfect to lose the stress and take a break.
Ah, here's the first space right here.
Yes.
So, very nice. Quiet co-working space here.
Yes.
And there's a big box like said I. Then you come into here.
Yes, the director of the team doing the business meeting. And look, with that view, that light, it's perfect, the ambient just right here. This space is perfect to work with friends. I would like to work here, really, to be honest with you.
All right, let's go again.
Come on. Look at this.
Oh, this is actually a working gym for sure. I think we showed this the other day.
high ceilings. It's so fresh. The climb here, the natural winter is not too much. It's really well. We have
This is perfect for you to get out your stress.
exactly.
What I drive you crazy. Right?
And you need that in Colombia, really. Lose the stress and have one place to breathe. This one is perfect.
Exactly. So, all right. So, Sarah,
Yes.
thank you so much again for finding this place. Last time we were here, these units, the unit we showed today wasn't available, but it is actually apparently been lowered from the original price. So we'll put the price in the end screen as always and let you know. But apparently the person's very negotiable. Right?
Yes. In this moment, is negotiable. It's a good opportunity, and these locations, killer.
Thank you so much, Sarai, for finding this place. And see you later.